Hello, I'm Darren Brooks with Alleo. Welcome to InfoComm 2026. We are here at the Alleo booth and we're going to show you our browser-based collaboration platform, a very simple way to present for experience centers, briefing centers, and innovation centers. My colleague Josh is going to go through this on his iPad, but first we're going to show you the flexibility. You can start with a simple digital signage application, and now Josh is going to drive the presentation, first launching a high-res video. And as you can see, we go edge to edge, pixel for pixel, and the clarity is perfect. Now we're going to move forward, again, this simple user interface. We're going to go into a more collaborative experience, and he's going to pick the first template. And this is one of the many ways that you can present within Alleo. So we call this our visual twin, and so now Josh is able to just simply drag and drop content into the various zones, and as again, you can see almost relatively no lag. Now as he's going into the next part of this, he's going to interact with the content where he can take it, again, full screen, and now navigate through this PowerPoint right from the display, and now he's able to annotate on that PowerPoint. Now again, this could be done not only in room, but also completely hybrid, where folks that are not in the room would be able to interact exactly like Josh is from the iPad or from any web or browser-enabled device. So now Josh is going to go into the next episode, and so it's a second template, and so this one is a little bit more fixed, a little bit more bespoke, where now he's able to simply click on the various buttons and change the content on the screen. So again, a highly interactive and engaging way for experience centers, briefing centers to engage their participants. Now we're going to go to our last presentation mode. And this is, again, just a simple static presentation that now with some simple interactivity, Josh can click these buttons and interact with the content, go full screen, and use the flip card widgets that Alleo has native to the technology. So that's a simple overview of the Alleo collaboration platform. Again, browser-based, easy to use, super flexible. Check us out at withalleo.com.